It is August 10th, 2024, and we are going to a car show. Today we're headed over to Kannapolis for the cruise in over to the Research Center. It's one of my favorite car shows of the year. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. That made it there and back.
Yeah. Where you headed?
Car show.
I'm gonna come catch you.
I bet.
Car wash real quick.
Word. Not even there and I'm making friends already. That guy said, that's a pretty dope fucking van. Going out with a film camera now. Let's see what we get. So at first glance, you're like, wow, who's the douchebag that parked his car and left it like that, right? He ran out of gas there, and I ran out of film there. You just can't make that shit up. It's crazy.